crisis. Here is the problem. Russia's economy is under severe strain. Ukraine's tactics are hitting Moscow where it hurts. Instead of Western troops in city battles, Kiev is targeting Russian oil refineries. Just recently, a drone strike destroyed distillation tower at the Volgograd refinery, knocking it out for at least half a year. For a country that relies on fuel both for the military and for exports, this is devastating. Soldiers and tanks can be replaced, but when your energy infrastructure burns, your entire war effort is at risk.
Deficit. And financially, things look just as grim. Since July, Russia's monthly budget deficit has surged to 1.5 trillion rubles. Oil and gas revenues are down, spending is skyrocketing, and Europe has added even more pressure. In its 19th round of sanctions, the EU lowered the oil price cap from $60 a barrel to 47.6, sanctioned 118 more ships from Russia's shadow fleet, and even targeted companies in India and China that buy Russian oil and gas. Moscow's fiscal lifeline is shrinking fast. Panda Bonds. So Putin is searching for alternatives, and that's where China comes in. His plan? To issue Panda Bonds in China's domestic market. On paper, these bonds look attractive, carrying a AAA rating. But many Chinese experts and netizens are alarmed. That AAA is seen as political cover, not real credit strength. If Russia defaults, and given the current situation, that risk is high, China would effectively be left holding the bag. Sanctions. The bigger worry is political. If Beijing allows Russia to raise large sums through Panda Bonds, it ties China directly to Moscow's war economy. The West could then respond with secondary sanctions, cutting China off from dollar clearing systems, targeting its banks, and putting enormous stress on its already fragile financial system. And in the end, ordinary Chinese citizens could feel the pain through slower growth, higher costs, and weaker markets. As some online comments have put it, this isn't Russia getting a transfusion, it's China bleeding itself dry. Warning. For now, the Panda Bonds remain just a plan. Nothing has been approved, and that at least gives China some breathing room. But the debate inside China is clear. Experts, analysts, and regular people are saying the same thing. Beijing should not pay for Russia's war, and it cannot afford to get dragged deeper into Moscow's troubles.